All right, here we have it, and I want it to have a pretty color to it. Get red on that. So what I have is my avocado. This is my avocado luster dust.
And just so the viewers at home understand, what you're seeing on the video here, what you're watching, is slightly different color. In live, this is more of a forest green kind of thing. And on the video,
what does it look like on the video?
It's a little brighter. It's
really?
Kind of a bright green.
Well, this will tone it down.
Yeah.
Because it's an elf, you got to have that sparkle, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all good. It's looking good.
So we have a little bit of, this has a gold, avocado is a green gold.
Mm-hmm.
It's like an avocado color with green, with gold in it. It's really
And
pretty.
how much of that fondant, how long would you say that piece of green fondant is with what you're working on?
I don't know. I don't even know if it's going to go around. If it doesn't go around, I just cut another piece. And it because it's a zigzag, you just attach it, you just cut it to match.
Right.
So it doesn't even matter. So we'll find out together.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, what was the kind of luster dust or?
This is avocado.
Avocado, what is it? Diamond dust?
This is Linnea's avocado.
Okay.
That's the brand, but anybody that's a greenish gold,
Yep.
I'm sure the Sugar Art has a green gold. They have a lot of lusters that are now food safe.
Luster dust.
Yeah, it's a luster dust. Okay, so this may be a little long. I may break it when I put it on, but you know, that's the way it goes. Okay, so a little bit of water.
Glue.
Glue on the edge here. You can put it on the green piece, but I don't want to bust it. So we're just putting water here, right on the edge. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. You're not going to be able to see that. Just doing the other side. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put in the back.
You start at the back of the shoe.
I start at the back of the shoe. And you just attach right around. Let's see, that'll hide any multitude of sins you might have with the...
Just attaches to the water.
Yep.
Attaches to the other.
Oh, it was long enough.
Look at that. Very cool.
Okay, so I'm just going to overlap that just a touch.
We won't tell anybody.
Yeah, don't tell anyone. There. Okay.
Yeah, very cool.
It was actually long enough to go around.
Ta-da.
So, how long was it? Probably about 1.5 feet.
Yeah, about 1.5 feet. That's what it looked like here.
Yeah, it was about 1.5 feet. If you want, get a string, and you measure it around, and then you lay the string down here.
Measure the string.
Yeah.
Or you can eyeball and hope for the best.
Yeah, and basically, I mean, seriously, if it had not made it all the way around, I would have just cut it at one of these indents and then just attached it right there and kept going.
Right.
You know, that's why it really, the first time I did it, I actually just pieced it together. This one just happened to be the right size. Okay, so that made it around. There you go, look at that. It's starting to look a little bit more like a shoe. The bells that go on here, let me get all that off. Just a little bit of, boy, this is really bright. Oh, but this looks bright. Looks like neon, doesn't it?
It's pretty bright yellow.
Yeah, it's pretty bright. I'm going to take a small piece, depending on how big I want my bell to be. Okay, make it round. Okay, then a little bit, just a tiny little bit of a roll here to make it tapered. And then I'm going to take my knife tool. I'm going to flatten it a little bit. And I'm going to, okay, I'll show you again. Just two little, like a little happy face. And then you need to put a hole there and a hole there. So it looks like a bell. I'm just doing half the bell.
After you make this one, can you show us one more time?
I can. I can do it as many times as you want because I do a lot of these.
Yeah.
Okay, and then dust it with a little gold. And yes, there's green on my, there we go. Okay, a little bit of water.
brush.
And actually, you don't hang it from, you actually put it where this guy is. Just put a little water right here and just attach it right there.
Oh.
So it looks like it's hanging off the